Subject Physical Education for class 12, Unit 8, Biomechanics and Sports. In this unit, we will carry on the topic Newton's Law of Motion. In this topic, we will discuss now the second law of motion or second Newton's law of motion. It is also called the law of acceleration. In this, if unequal forces are applied to objects of equal mass, the greater force will cause more acceleration. If equal forces are applied to object of unequal mass, the object will greater mass will have less acceleration. It means, as per the law of acceleration, the role of change in velocity means acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the force applied and inversely proportional to the mass of body. The greater the force applied, the faster is the velocity and more is displacement. And if force applied is less, then the displacement is less. Moreover, the acceleration is also less. So, this is the law of acceleration. In this, we will try now the application of this law in the field of sports or games. In cricket, while taking a high catch, the player is required to move his hands backward while taking the catch. This increases the time, thus decreasing the force required to stop the ball. This ensures that the player does not get hurt in the process. So through that, it is applied in the field of the games or sports. So through this brief detail, we have to know regarding the law of acceleration or the Newton's second law of motion. Thank you.